What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would share with you some hot new releases that I've been obsessed with. A couple things that I forgot to include in my Nordstrom haul that came in the mail. There's, I think, just two. There's three. And then one product that I'm like stewing over. I don't know if I should buy it or not. So I'm going to link it below. It is the Nordstrom exclusive Longchamp large tote bag. Longchamp, did I say that right? I'm sure you guys will correct me. It's not, I know it's not Longchamp. And I don't know if I should buy it. It's kind of expensive, but it's on sale and I've never owned any of those bags before. And so I know people really like them. So let me know what you guys think about that bag. I'll either like put an insert right here, which I don't even know if I know how to do that. And then, or I'll just link it below. And then you guys can just tell me. I might just like wait, I don't know. First thing I want to show you is something that I think is going to be really cute and it's super cheap. It is, I think it was $18. No, it wasn't. It was like $15. Yeah, $15.90. And it is this really cute cropped kind of off the shoulder type top. And I just think I think that'll be really cute with like some high-waisted jeans. Definitely high-waisted for me, or like just like a denim skirt or something super, super cute. So I will put that link below. I am a huge Gorgiana person. I love their jewelry. I think I've got like every single hoop that they've ever made. That's how much I love them. These earrings, which were on sale, and they're normally like $75, and I got them for around $40. But look at those. I think they come in gold, silver, and rose gold. I think this is cut though. And so I love the dangly parts, and I usually wear hoops, and so I just didn't, so I wanted something different. And I don't have anything in silver like these. This is probably my favorite nude set that NARS has come out with because all of the colors are perfect nudes, and they're different ranges of nudes. It's $50. You basically get two for free because I think these are around 25 or 30 bucks a piece, and you get like two of their best sellers, two I think new colors for Nordstrom, and it's basically like a nude rose type set. So there's American Woman and Cosmel, which would be a pretty duo, but these like or these Ultra Glides. The Velvet Lip Glides are amazing. They are one of my favorite long wearing formulas because it's so easy to put on, and they dry down to kind of like a satiny matte finish. I have Antigua, which I think is new. It's like a nude rose, and then stripped, and I love stripped. I wear it all the time in my videos. So this is a duplicate for me. I'll probably just give that away to one of my sisters. Next product, and this isn't quite a new product, but it's a new product for me, but it's been on the market for a while. It is the Gucci Face Satin Matte Foundation. I am in love. It is what I'm wearing today, and it is the perfect satiny matte finish, but it like leaves your skin youthful. Felt like my skin, there was like a youthful glow to it. The shade range is the only thing that I feel like sucks, is because I don't think that there is a lot to choose from. And if you are in between shades, I feel like you're gonna have to mix one. You're gonna have to mix a different shade in there, like what I did, because I actually purchased 3 shades and I'm returning 2 of them. 80 and 90 were way too yellow and almost olive, so I had to settle for 70 because I felt like any of the other shades would be way too light, and 70 is almost pink, but when you apply it to the face, it doesn't look pink. It's kind of like a nice neutral color, I think. I don't know. That's what I'm wearing today, and I kind of feel like I look kind of white. Really like the finish, and I had to search around online to try to find some swatches or just use my best judgment, and that's like 75% of the time I have to do that for really high-end stuff because we don't have a counter here, like a La Prairie counter. We don't have a Neiman Marcus. Love, I really am surprised about how much I like this product, and I know it didn't get great reviews. From the Huda Beauty, and it's their Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder, which I think is such a cute name, and it's Pound Cake. That is the shade that I got, which is kind of like the most neutral of all of the shades. I was in Sephora like testing them. The girl and I, she always helps me whenever I go in there, but they're all very translucent. So I feel like you really can't go wrong with every one that you choose, because even the dark shades, like the super dark shades that we tested, when we tested them, it almost blended out into nothing. So it's kind of like I could have worn the darkest shade that she had. So the formula is really great, and it's great for going under the eyes. It bakes without creasing, and it leaves your under eyes very bright, and just, that's a really great product. I kind of like the way that it looks is kind of like the Becca, where it has that netting and you can just dip your sponge or brush and then just go to town. One drawback is that there is a scent to it. I don't understand why companies sometimes put fragrance that's so heavy into their product, because you're gonna eliminate like a whole section of people who have really sensitive skin, are really sensitive to scents, and the older I get, I feel like the more sensitive I am. But it does have a scent to it. So if that is gonna make you sick to your stomach, you probably wanna pass. It would me, because the smell is exactly like her foundation. So if you know what her foundation smells like, that is what this powder smells like. To me, once I have it on my face, I can't smell it anymore. It's just the application part. You can stand it for that period of time, throw it on your face, brush off the excess, then you're good to go, because you can't smell it for the rest of the day. It's just the application, and then if you sniff it, it's just could make you like want to throw up, like the girl at Sephora. She like took a big whiff of it and she's like, oh, I feel like I'm gonna puke. It's a pretty significant scent. I mean, you can definitely smell it. It's not like it's subtle or anything. So just keeping it real. These two palettes have blown my mind, and I need you guys to tell me which one you want me to do like a get ready with me testing these. I feel like the majority of you are gonna say this one. The other one has been out for a while and I'm new to it. This is the Anastasia Norvina palette, which is beautiful. It's got a bunch of different neutrals and like array of colors. It reminds me of a cross between like the Renaissance-ish and the soft glam. But I am wearing I'm wearing Eccentric all over the lid, and then Celestial and Wild Child on my bottom lash line, and then a little bit of Passion on my outer V. I really like it. I know it'll be available soon to like Ulta and Sephora, but it's definitely a good palette to test out. I just purchased this, so this is just, I'm cheating here. I swatched it and I about shit my pants. It was so nice. This is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered. I don't know anything about the first one. I did swatch it in the store. I did not like the packaging, and I felt like there was so much fallout when I would, you know, spread it on with a brush. This is just beautiful. I cannot wait to like just test this out and, I don't know, play around with it. But these shades up top here are very pigmented, but they're not crumbly and they're not too like powdery. And then the rest of them, this Mirror color, I love. Oh, this is so pretty. I mean, it's stunning. And I think it's sold out online, but they're always gonna restock. I was actually gonna purchase some things off her website, but it's like fucking like $10 in shipping, and I'm like, I don't want it that bad. Really uber metallic shades, which are very like metallic, but not too glittery, and would not give you any fallout. And then these, which are just kind of like shimmery shades. So I definitely recommend that. I played around with it just a little bit at the store, but if you can get your hands on it, go get that shit. This has like blown my mind. It is the Dermalogica Sound Sleep Cocoon Transferring Night Gel Cream. So my friend Carly has been telling me to get this forever. Beautiful lavender, soothing, moisturized night cream, and I love it. It's not even a cream, it's a night gel. I use this over my night cream, so I think that's how you're supposed to use it, over your night cream. But if you're more on like the oily side, you could probably just get away with using it by itself. But I felt like I noticed a difference in one night. When I woke up, my skin was super hydrated, very even and calm, and just looked plump and juicy and ready to get kissed. If you have sensitive skin and you want that like calming lavender effect, I'm actually going to talk about another product that is really awesome and lavendery, because that's like my favorite scent, and I can't wait to share that with you, and that'll be in the next video. For the time being, this is amazing, and I feel like it's just so beautiful on the skin. I tested out this Lancer Caviar and Lime Peel. Oh, I love it. This is like one of those peels where if you have sensitive skin or skin that just has a bad reaction to anything that's super intense, this would be the peel for you because it's so calming. Like you get a very, very small amount of tingle when you put it on. And the cool thing about this peel is that when you leave it on, it kind of tightens. So it's kind of like a peel and tightening mask in one. And then when you take it off, your skin is freaking fly as shit. Just a little bit more gentle and not so intense. These two together make a great overnight facial. So, yeah. Dior came out with some new highlighters and I purchased this one and I cannot wait to share it with you. They came out with like 3 new ones and this is in holographic. It's basically a bluish white, purpley type highlighter, which you're not gonna get on camera. That is it right there. You can tell that it's just really pretty. Super smooth. It's what I'm wearing on my cheeks today and I like Dior highlighters because you think that they're not like pigmented enough, being that they're such a luxury brand, but it's perfect because it gives the right amount of glow without being way too much. That is it for my new releases, but don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time.